What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. As you see here we have cyclohexane, or let's say cyclohexyl in this case too. They are connected to each other by oxygen atom. So if I want to show you the IUPAC name, is gonna be cyclohexoxy because that's alkoxy group. Cyclohexoxy, cyclohexane, that's the IUPAC name. And if I want to show you the common name, it's gonna be, we have cyclohexyl, so there's two of them, 2-cyclohexyl ether. These are gonna be the name, the IUPAC name and common name for this organic compound. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any question, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.